Some scholars believe Gog and Magog have destroyed the barrier and been released long time ago. What is your opinion? They must have come across those kind of Gog and Magog in their houses. They must have destroyed their own properties in the form of gangsters. But as far as I know from the hadith of Rasulullah, nobody has seen Gog and Magog coming out now. So maybe those people who are saying, some scholars, and if they are scholars, maybe somebody has looted them and destroyed their properties or burned their field and destroyed their water tanks and all that. So they might be thinking they are Gog and Magog who have done that. But general understanding, Gog and Magog will come and they will destroy the whole, they'll spread the corruption all over the world and it will be known. It is not like, some scholars are just saying that they understood that something happened and they are saying it's happening. No, it will spread, the corruption will spread globally. So we'll know about it. And it has not come yet. This is my opinion. So.